Echoes cry through rusted walls, a symphony of steam's forgotten calls. Shadows dance on broken beams, ghosts of iron and shattered dreams. Soot black ghosts on concrete floors, memories etched in creaking doors. Dust-cloaked engines silent stand, whispers of a once mighty hand. Cogs and wheels turn the board, silent screams from ages yore. Majestic steed and iron pride, now left alone to slowly die. Sunlight streams through shattered glass, moments frozen in the past. Wind soft hum a mournful tune in this temple to the moon, to the moon. Faded posters, peeling paint, stories told of grand old saints. Majestic ruins now decay, silent hints to yesterday.